can't take me anywhere.
God.
You don't like to dance, do you? You just like to be that guy that sits in the corner and just...
Yeah, I gotta do my thing.
Not me. Not me. I like to be in the middle. I like to do it all.
I'm the guy in the back. I'm not the one in the front.
Front dance. All right, let's get this going. All right. Do a little shimmy. All right, yo. So, Kyle.
Justin.
With Your Behind BBQ. Today, we're going to do a fat, bleep this, fat chicken sandwich.
Oh, that sounds amazing.
You good with that?
I'm good with that.
Buffalo chicken sandwich. I'm a fan of like chicken wings. Like I am a diehard fan. Like I will, if your chicken wings suck, I'll never come back to your restaurant.
I do.
So, yeah, so let's get some, we got some chicken breasts here. I think we fillet these open, make them big, fillet them.
All right.
We'll use our boys' flavor knuckles. We use their wing batter.
Money.
You like it, huh? It's good, man. It's good stuff. I'm slowly getting addicted to this. So we'll batter them up. We'll throw them in the deep fryer. We'll cook them. We'll make a fat sandwich, and we'll, you know, you eat one side, I eat the other side. We meet in the middle.
I don't know about that, but you know, we can.
All right. Good. All right. All right. So here, you fillet. I'll mix. You good with that? I know sharp knives. You always cut yourself. You end up in the hospital. You got all these nicks and cramps. You good?
I'm good.
You sure?
I think I can do this.
Okay.
A little better.
Okay. I always screw this up. Half a cup, 1 cup. All right. So we're gonna use a half a cup. Better watch your fingers. Don't try this at home. Well, do try it at home, but somebody that knows how to use a knife, make sure we do that, because
Not me. You don't want me cutting.
we don't want that.
I think I did pretty damn good with it.
She looks good. Looks like a heart. Maybe you can make that for the wife on Valentine's Day.
Yes, I think
Or
she'd
like
that.
yeah, deep fried heart sandwich.
Not like a dead heart for your wife on Valentine's Day, right? Just dead piece of flesh.
You have to have a heart before.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think the wife would like that. The wife would like that. Then use 1 cup of the hot sauce. But you know us, let's be different. You ready to be different? Let's add some of our rub to it. Green chili bacon rub, we're gonna add to this.
Don't be shy.
Don't be shy.
Don't be shy.
All right, we're gonna mix this sucker up.
Oh, man, it's,
Too big for you? I know you're small, but it might be a little big for you.
I can take it.
You can take it, huh?
I can take it.
I don't think I need to know that. Well, you are small, so they would be big.
Really? I'm gonna Will Smith you here in a second.
Sorry, Will. Hopefully Will's watching this. Hey, Will, I'll make you a sandwich anytime, man. Just don't hit me. All right, so we're mixed up. All right, so I think, yeah, if you wanna dredge these suckers, and I'll get you a rack we can throw these on. Bam! Don't be afraid. Dredge the crap out of them.
This batter is unreal.
It's amazing, huh? It goes good on veggies, shrimp, chicken, wings, pork. Anything you want to deep fry, this batter is perfect for. Actually, you want to just go straight to the deep fryer?
Yeah, I don't know.
You want to do that?
No? Well, we'll let it sit for a minute. There we go. Get a little of that excess off there, and then just...
Oh, she looks good.
It does look good.
Anything you want to deep fry this batter, it's flavor knuckles. It's called chicken and veggie batter. Use this batter on anything you're going to deep fry. Anything. It says chicken and veggie, but you can use it on anything.
Look at that.
She look good, man. All right, so we're going to let these sit for about 10 minutes. The deep fryer is almost up to temp. We're going to deep fry them at 350. And yeah, we're gonna throw them on there, and we're gonna throw some more wing sauce on them. We're gonna stack a bun, and yeah.
We're gonna eat.
Wow, maybe.
We're gonna eat.
You're gonna have this heart-shaped looking one, because I know how you're such a romantic.
You know me. This ain't a Valentine's Day special.
Oh, we can make one. I have a Valentine's Day Speedo I can put on.
Oh God, no. No
Sure?
more speedo. Yeah, no.
I got angel wings, and I can fly around your pool.
Oh, you little Cupid now? Got a bow and arrow? A heart?
Whew, these look good, man.
They do look good.
You want to assemble these bad boys?
Yeah,
Brioche
let's-
buns?
I think we'll take this. We're gonna put this bad boy right here.
Oh, damn.
And this bad boy.
You putting 2 on there?
Oh yeah, we're going all in.
You're gonna do 2?
I'm gonna do 2. You know, I think we could cut this bitch in half.
You think so?
I think so. We could.
I don't think so.
Are you kidding me? Really? Really? Really?
Well, pretty good.
Oh, I bet. Thanks.
Catch you on the next one.
Be different.
I hope you all enjoyed this video. Please like, subscribe, and I'll catch you on the next one.